Presenting the Ram 2019 3500 Chassis Cab SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include transmission, 6-speed auto Aisin AS69 RCHD, ADD 4.10 axle ratio, tires, LT 235/80 R17 EBSW all-season, 4.10 axle ratio, STD, electric shift on the fly transfer case included, center stack storage drawer, diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included, 4-way front headrests, gross vehicle weight, 14,000 lbs, max tow package included, 12.0 inches dual wheel rear axle at 4.10 axle ratio and wheels 17 inches x6 steel chrome clad. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let